złotym. Every Polish zloty begins its journey behind layers of extraordinary security. Before a single banknote can be printed, every employee, every material, and every movement must pass through multiple layers of security.
Before leaving the Polish mint, every złotykli coin is automatically counted into exact quantities. Computer-controlled packaging system.
Each tube is sealed using tamper-evident technology, protecting the coins during transportation while guaranteeing that every package reaches banks in perfect condition. Every shipment undergoes one final inspection. Automated systems verify packaging accuracy before any Polish zloty coins are approved for nationwide distribution. Every shipment undergoes one final inspection. Automated systems verify packaging accuracy before any Polish zloty coins are approved for nationwide distribution. Robotic palletizers organize thousands of packaged coin tubes into secure shipping pallets, preparing them for safe transportation to Poland's banking network. Every shipment receives a unique digital identity, allowing authorities to track every pallet from the Polish mint to financial institutions throughout the country. Before entering circulation, the packaged coins are stored inside highly secure government warehouses, where every shipment remains carefully monitored. Once approved, the packaged coins are transferred into armored transport vehicles under strict security before beginning their journey across Poland. After an extraordinary journey of engineering, precision, and security, the Polish zloty is finally ready to serve millions. Freshly printed banknotes don't leave the factory immediately. Every bundle is carefully counted, inspected, documented, and stored in sections. Automation plays a critical role in modern banknote production. Every bundle is transported, aligned, and verified without unnecessary. Before leaving the production line, every bundle undergoes advanced optical inspection. Intelligent machine vision systems examine thousands. Once inspected, every bundle is transferred entirely by automated systems. Robotic handling eliminates unnecessary human jumbles. Sophisticated sorting technology organizes thousands of banknotes every hour. Automated scanners verify serial sequences. After multiple printing stages, the complete Polish zloty design finally appears. Every sheet contains dozens of banknotes. The first visible colors of the Polish zloty are applied using precision offset printing. Every printing cylinder must remain floations. The inks used on Polish banknotes are far more complex than ordinary printing ink. Each proprietary formula is
Ten zielony odcień dokładnie odpowiada specyfikacji.
A atrament irydowy utrzymuje się pod promieniami UV. Jesteśmy gotowi na fazę drugą.
once secured by the heavy-duty clamps. The automated calibration ensures perfect alignment for the Polish zloty currency run.
Check the registration on this thread. The alignment is off by a few microns here.
Confirmed, but the watermark is perfect. Engines. No banknote moves forward without passing this critical inspection stage. Advanced optical systems analyze thousands of microengines. Once inspection is complete, every printed sheet is automatically stacked with absolute precision, maintaining perfect alignment. Estimates. Before the sheets can be cut into individual banknotes, their position must be verified with microscopic precision. Preparation is just as important as cutting itself. Before a single blade moves, advanced positioning. This is one of the most critical moments in banknote production. Advanced cutting technology transforms large printed sheets into individual Polish zloty banknotes. Preparation is just as important as cutting itself. Before a single blade moves, advanced positioning. Pulse. Every individual banknote now undergoes its final quality inspection. Advanced optical systems verify dozens of security features. After weeks of precision manufacturing, inspection, and security verification, the Polish zloty finally begins its journey across the nation. Every currency package receives a unique electronic identity before leaving the production floor. This secure tracking system From the mint, every shipment travels under constant protection until it reaches Poland's banking system, where the coins are finally prepared for public circulation.